Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make tropical smoothie. Blend frozen mango, pineapple, banana with coconut milk and ice until smooth. Start with 1 cup coconut milk and 2 cups fruit, then pulse. Taste and add sweetener or water to thin. For extra protein, add a scoop or Greek yogurt. Serve chilled with a lime wedge and a straw for a bright, refreshing drink every time. Use flavor balance to make each sip sing by combining sweet mango with tart pineapple and bright lime. A small avocado creates creamy texture without overwhelming fruit flavor, while spinach blends in invisibly for vitamins. For tropical depth, try a teaspoon of grated ginger or a few mint leaves. Always taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, and remember that cold ingredients yield the best, most refreshing smoothie experience for summer or any warm afternoon. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for hauling groceries or blending smoothies. I use them when testing recipes because happy feet make cooking more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Aim for the texture you love by altering ice and liquid ratios. More frozen fruit makes it thicker, while extra coconut milk makes it silkier. Spoon into chilled glasses and garnish with toasted coconut flakes, chia seeds, or a pineapple wedge for contrast. If you want a boozy twist, add a splash of rum or liqueur just before serving. Enjoy warm weather vibes with every sip and share this easy recipe with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.